Would you look at this big pile of Lunchables? It's actually nighttime right now, but I'm filming the intro to this video right now because then I can just go straight into eating in the morning and I don't have to do the intro. As soon as I wake up, I'm gonna do 24 hours of only eating Lunchables. And I know you guys might be thinking, that's a weird idea, and I agree with you, but a lot of you guys requested this video. And in the UK, we don't have very crazy Lunchables. I'm gonna go to bed, and next time I see you guys, it will be morning time, and we're gonna start our 24-hour food challenge of Lunchables. I know this seems like a lot, guys, but this is every single food that I'm gonna be eating for the next 24 hours. So starting with breakfast and until tomorrow morning's breakfast, we are only gonna be eating Lunchables, and there's a lot of like things that I've never seen in this pile. I definitely want to have this one for breakfast because it's the only one that's like a specific breakfast one, which is a cinnamon roll dipper. And then I also want to get something savory for breakfast just to balance everything out. This one is the ham and cheddar with a vanilla cream cookie. That's breakfast, and I'm gonna put these back in the fridge now. Let's go ahead and open the first one. I'm gonna start with the sweet one. Oh, that looks good. I don't think we want the raisins. I'm honestly cool without it. So we've got 3 cinnamon rolls. We've got some raisins. Oops. And I think this might be the frosting. I'm gonna add the frosting on top of these. This is not gonna look pretty, just so you know. That is not how it's supposed to go. What? Why can I not even make Lunchables right? This is looking terrible. Wow. I feel like we should at least try one of them with the raisins because I don't like to waste food, so I'm still gonna try to like eat it, maybe with a lot of frosting. So we don't really have to make the cream cookies, they come already prepared. This cheese is so weirdly yellow. That's like the weirdest thing about being in America. We're gonna put 1 cheese, 1 piece of ham on top of the cheese. Let's do 1 cracker on top and then another layer of cheese and ham. We need a little bit of ham as well. I mean, this is more like a tower and a sandwich, but I like the look of it. Even if we didn't have the cinnamon buns, this would be a solid breakfast as it is. And here we've got our fancy 3-course breakfast meal. I'm not mad about any of this. This is still healthier than any breakfast I could come up with on my own. So, bon appetit, guys. So here we've got our breakfast. I'm gonna start by trying the cream cookies because I think this will be my least favorite. I always leave like the best ones for last. I actually quite like it. It's just a vanilla cookie. It's not as good as an Oreo cookie, but it's still up there. I hate that on camera this little cookie sandwich looks so little, and in real life it's like massive. Like I could probably barely fit it in my mouth, but oh my god, this is a bad idea. That is so much better. The Lunchables cheese though, why is it so flavorful? Now that is a good breakfast. This was a hardcore one. That was so much cheese and so much meat. Maybe I am trashy, but to me, that was perfect. I love everything about it. I love the ham, I love the cheese. And now we're gonna try the cinnamon bun with the icing. I should have probably tried the icing first because I feel like icing sometimes ruins things because if it's too sweet, it's too late now though. It's good. It's actually good. It's a little dry, but I mean, what do you expect from a cinnamon bun? They're all supposed to be dry, I think. I do like this a lot. I'm not sure about the raisins though, but the icing and the cinnamon bun are perfect. And the best part is I've still got a lot of everything, so I'm definitely not gonna be hungry until lunchtime. It's good, and I've still got some leftovers, yes. And for lunch, guys, these are probably some of my favorite ones in this video. We've got nachos, cheese dip, and salsa, which honestly, I've never even heard of this Lunchable before, so I was very excited when I saw it at the grocery shop. And this one is really weird as well. This is a chicken pizza, so basically it's got like, it's kind of like a Lunchable chicken nugget on top of a pizza. I am not sure if this is gonna be any good, but I think these are at least very promising, so I think we should definitely give them a try for lunch. I think we started with the pizza sauce, or not pizza, tomato salsa. Why is it so difficult to open? Isn't this... but it's fine, it's all good. Let's put this back here and pretend like nothing happened. Me in life. Me when one of my videos sucks. Let's just bury that one. Yeah, no one can see. Perfect. It looks good. We don't have to put anything together, which I love, because as you can see, just opening a package is difficult. I love that someone at Lunchables had the thought, do you know what we need in our company? We need a chicken nugget pizza. I'm keeping an open mind, this might be good. Why is this so difficult to open? I accidentally over-opened the pizza sauce, so this might be a little messy, nothing new. So we got the pizza sauce. I'm gonna shake it to spread because I don't really want to wash a spoon. Honestly, not looking bad. So we're gonna add the cheese on top. Should we have started with the chicken? No, I think we should start with the cheese. It doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't even smell like pizza sauce. So I can't really explain to you guys if this is gonna be any good or not yet. Oh, these are like cold, weirdly cold. We're gonna add the chicken pieces on top of the pizza. That's basically it. And then obviously we got enough to make the one in the bottom. And this right here, guys, is our lunch. It's looking very fancy. We've got the chicken nugget pizzas, and we've also got our cheese and tomato salsa chip dip. I'm gonna start with the weirdest one first because I just think this is like a strange thing. This is 100% the best one I've tried in this video. Not making this up, this chicken is amazing. I kind of want to fold it. It's so good though. The chicken is a million times better than the actual pizza. Kind of wish they gave me like 8 of those instead of the pizza. But the pizza sauce is good as well. I am easy to please, but I do really like it. And here we've got our nachos with the cheese and the tomato salsa dip. That's better than Doritos. That is so good that I honestly can't even compare it to any other cheese dip that I've had before. It's very spicy though. Kind of makes me think, isn't this supposed to be for children or for people who go to school? It's really spicy, but I honestly love this one. Every single thing in here, like the cheese dip, the tomato salsa, and the chips, are incredibly flavorful. Don't sleep on this, because this is everything. This is so good. Before you guys judge me that this is way too much food for dinner, this is actually like an afternoon snack slash dinner, and guess what? I'm hungry and I don't have to justify myself. This is like the fancy part of the video, guys. These are like Lunchables, like boxes, rather than just the individual trays. This one is a 6-inch turkey and cheddar sub sandwich, and then it comes with loads of things on the inside. It comes with spring water, it comes with Kraft mayo, it comes with Hershey's Kisses, it comes with a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna open this and show you everything in just a second. This might be my favorite one for the whole video. I didn't get this one too much for the pizza because obviously we've already tried this. I got it mostly for the candy pizza. It comes with a Capri Sun, it comes with candy coated chocolate chips. Honestly, this one is gonna be very, very good. Let's see what's on the inside. By the way, guys, completely unrelated to this video, but I bought a whole lot of toys that are like food related or toys in which you can actually make food. Let me know if you guys want to watch a video on this, because I know it's different than my usual content, but if you guys want to watch it, give this video a like. If we get into like 20,000 likes, I guess a lot of you guys want to see it. So here we've got the bread for our sandwich. There we go. This is perfect for when I have children, because I don't have time to make sandwiches for anyone, so this is what you're getting. Lunchables every day. Is Lunchables something that is associated with bad parenting? Because I mean, that's the only parenting that I would do. If my children were like, Dad, can you make me food? I'd be like, do you want to die? This ham feels so weirdly soft. Oh, it's because it's turkey, never mind. So we're gonna put the turkey in. This is a good amount of turkey for one sandwich, I feel like. Alright, so we're gonna put the cheese in. I'm pretending like I'm making this for my future children, so I don't really care what they eat. Alright, and that's basically our sandwich. We just close it up. Oh. Perfect. It's better than any sandwich that I could ever attempt to make, so we're gonna go ahead and make the Kool-Aid. This is tropical punch flavor, so we're just gonna add it to the water. Oh, that's really cool. There we go. We cannot forget the Pringles. So that goes in here as well. And last but not least, we got the Hershey's Kisses. I think my other Hershey's Kiss rolled under my sofa, so I guess we'll see it in the next 3 months. And this is our final meal. I think it looks like a decent meal. This is almost like Lunchables for the young professional. It's like a fancy grown-up Lunchables version, and I'm here for it. You guys know that I bought this one mostly for the candy pizza, but let's open it anyways. This one is more like the traditional. Oh, that looks really cool. This is really cool packaging. And then we've got the Capri Sun, and that's basically everything that's in it. This is a tropical fruit flavor. So we're gonna make one savory and one sweet pizza. Oh, it's the other way around. I feel like this is gonna look so bad. Wow. Trust me to always make everything look terrible. So I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. This looks nothing like what I expected. Should we spread it a little? I just can't not do it. I have to make this look a little better. So I sprinkle some of the candy on top. I think these are chocolate chips like covered in like candy on the outside. I think that's genius. We need more people thinking like that. That is the future. Space exploration is overrated anyways. I'm just joking. I feel like I don't have to say this anymore, but so I'm also gonna make a savory one, and I might have opened this a little too much. And now we sprinkle some cheese on top, and this is basically the same as like the one we've made before. And this is the final meal. We've got the Capri Sun, one sweet and one savory pizza. I am honestly having a great day. I actually love eating Lunchables, and it's kind of fun to like, because it's DIY, but it's not a whole lot of work. The thing with Lunchables is they are a little pricey if you eat them like every day, but I think once in a while, you know, it's kind of fun. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to eat only Pringles for 24 hours, or is that a stupid idea? I always debate in my head, is it a good idea or not? It's a very thin line. Is it weird that I always like to mix sweet and savory like in between foods? It's just a good balance, you know, the balance of deliciousness. Is that dark chocolate? That is one of the most disappointing things I've ever eaten. So finally, we got the turkey sandwich. Can you believe this is a Lunchable food? A whole sandwich? I do love turkey more than ham, so I'm very biased for this one because obviously I love it more. It could deal with a little bit more mayo. It's a little bit dry, especially the bread, but it's good. What a great dinner. I love how I can have such a good time on my own, filming a video and eating just the weirdest foods. That's honestly life goals. I want to finish eating this, but I want to try the next one before I'm full. But I love this sandwich. How could I forget that we had a Kool-Aid to try as well? I'm so used to drinking fizzy drinks that whenever I drink something with juice, it's like, is this healthy? Is this what health is like? Is this what a green smoothie tastes like? If you're watching this from America, you probably drink Kool-Aid every day, that you're not even excited about this. But for someone who's from the outside, from Europe, Kool-Aid is incredible and I will always appreciate it. So here we've got the candy pizza, and the only reason why I bought the second box, and also because I might get hungry, but oh my god, these chocolate chips are the best chocolate chips I've ever had. I'm gonna eat this in one go. That's so good. I want to cry. Where have you been my whole life? Wow. You know when you're eating a cookie or cupcakes and they put those sprinkles on top, so they're basically like crunchy pieces of sugar, and then you bite into it and it's so crunchy? I think that ruins the consistency of everything. I hate sprinkles in general. I don't think it adds up to anything. But these were chocolate chips on the inside, so they're still soft and like milk chocolate. And then it's got a very thin layer of like that crispy, like colorful sugar. It's like the best of both worlds. It's honestly so good. If you get the chance to try the candy pizza Lunchables. I think you guys might actually love it. Capri Sun is very popular in Europe as well, at least where I grew up and in England, but I'm not sure about the other countries. I can't speak for them, never been to most of them. Let's do the ultimate American drink taste test. The Kool-Aid versus the Capri Sun. Which one is the best one? Very interesting taste profile with a slight hint of cherry. No, they're good. No, this is good as well. I feel like they taste the same. I wouldn't say that I like the Capri Sun better, but it's probably just because I'm from Europe and that's the one I know the best. This is just more different. So I'm not gonna pick a winner. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, only if you guys liked it. If you didn't like it, there's a lot of other videos on YouTube. You don't have to stay around, even though I do appreciate if you stay, if you like my stuff. If you scroll down, there's a subscribe button and next to it there's a little bell, and if you tap that bell, every time I put up a new food video, you'll receive a notification. And honestly, the YouTube subscription boxes are changing, so YouTube is not notifying people about videos. So if you did that, I'd obviously really appreciate it, and it does help my channel. I am very easy to please, so for me, today was a 5-star day with 5-star foods that I really enjoyed. It was minimal amount of work, and I would honestly repeat this. Tomorrow's video is not a 24-hour food video, so I think you guys might like it, but I really wanted to get this one out mostly because I wanted to eat Lunchables. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye!